Hello everyone, today we will solve math project papers. Let's see activity number 1. Does the two rectangles with the same area have the same parameters? Let's see together. Use the following square nut to draw two different rectangles of area 6 square units. This is the first rectangle and this is the second rectangle. Have the same area, 6 square units. And here also the area equals 6 square units. The parameter equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here also the parameter will be 10 units. So the answer of this question, does the two rectangles with the same area have the same parameters? Yes. Okay, let's see activity 2. Circle the equations below that have the same value as 9 times 2 times 5. It will be 9 times 2 times 5. Commutative property of multiplication. Circle the equation below that have the same value as 4 times 10 times 3. The same answer, 4 times 3 times 10. Okay, let's see number 2. Kamal brought home 2 boxes. Kamal drew 2 boxes. Okay, with bags of apples. Each box had 3 bags with 5 apples. 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in each bag we have 5 apples. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total apples did Kamal bring home? Write an equation. So the equation will be 2 boxes. In each box we have 3 bags, and in each bag we have 5 apples. So the equation will be 2 times 3 times 5. So Kamal brought equals 2 times 3 times 5. Two times 3 times 5. Let's use commutative property of multiplication to solve this equation. We will take together 2 times 5 times 3. 2 times 5 equals 10 times 3 equals 30 apples. And that's that for activity 2. Let's continue. Okay, let's see activity 3. Solve the following problems using an efficient strategy for you. Okay, let's see together. 24 divided by 2. How I will solve this equation? 24 divided by 2. 24 divided 2. We will divide 24 among 2 boxes. Okay, we have 24 apples, and I want to divide these 24 apples equally among 2 boxes. So we will put in each box. Here I will put 1, and here I will put 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, let's count in each box how many apples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in each box we have 12 apples. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12. The answer will be 12. Okay, 4 times 5 times 2. Using commutative property, we will solve this equation. 4 times 5 times 2. Okay, I want to take 5 times 2 together. Now bracket 5 times 2 times 4. And then 5 times 2 equals 10 times 4 equals 40. This is the simplest answer. Okay, 12 times what give me 48? How I will solve this equation? Times what give me 48? Okay. Look here. 2 times what give me 8? Look at the first digit, the ones digit. 2 times what give me 8? 2 times 4. Right? So 2 times 4 give me 8. We'll make it using distributive property. 10 plus 2 times 4 equals 48. Right? 10 times 4 equals 40. Plus 2 times 4 equals 48. I will take the first one to solve this question. 2 times what give me 4? Give me 8. 2 times 4 give me 8. Or 10 times what give me 40? 10 times 4 give me 40. It's so easy. Okay, 63 divided by what give me 7? It will be 9 in table 7, right? So 63 divided by what give me 7? Divided by 9 give me 7. So the answer will be 7. Okay, this is activity number 3. Let's see the next activity. Activity number 4, write the fraction that represents each form. Okay, the fraction here will be half, 1 over 2, and here will be 3 over 6, because just 3 shaded out of 6 parts. So 1 over 2 equals 3 over 6. Okay, let's continue activity number 4. Okay, color half the second circle, then write the fraction below in each circle. Okay, first count. How many parts divided into this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 10 parts. I want to divide this circle half. I want to divide it into two halves. 5 and 5, like 5 and 5. Let's color just 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this one. So this will be half, and this will be 5 over 10. 1 over 2, 5 over 10. 5 over 10 equal half. Okay, color half each circle, then write the fraction. Okay, I will color this half of this circle, and then and then count how many parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the fraction will be 4 over 8, and here 1 over 2. Okay, and that for activity number 4. Let's continue. Activity 5. Directions. Solve the problem below. Use your fraction models to help you. Compare each fraction, write greater than, less than, or equal to in the circle. Which one is greater? Let's remember first. When you see the lesser denominator, that's meaning the lesser denominator have the bigger fraction. So 1 over 2 greater than 1 over 6. And here 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 6. 1 whole greater than 1 over 4. 1 whole means here 4 over 4. So 4 over 4 4 over 4 greater or 1 over 4? No, 4 over 4. Okay, let's continue. 1 over 3 or 1 over 8. 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 8. And here 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. So it will be equal to 1 over 6 greater than 1 over 8. And here 1 over 2 greater than 1 over 4. And here 1 over 2 greater than 1 over 3. And let's continue. The models one, we will see this part. Okay, this is the whole one, and the whole one cut into two equal parts. That means each part is half. So in whole one we have two halves. Okay, here we have three equal parts, right? So the whole one we have three equal parts. Each part is 1/3. So we have 3/3 in one whole. 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Okay, and here, cut the whole one into 4 equal parts. Each part is a quarter, or each part is a 1/4. So in one whole we have 4 quarters. Okay, let's count how many parts here we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to cut the whole one into 6 equal parts. Each part is 1 sack, right? So we have 6 sacks in one whole. 1 over 6, 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 and here 1 over 6. Okay, the last one, how many parts divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in whole one we have 8 eighths. One over 8. 1 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 over 8. Okay. Let's continue. Activity number 6. Use the number line to compare the two fractions, 1 over 6 and 1 over 3. Okay, let's go down. The first number line I will cut into 3 parts. This is 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and this is 3 over 3. Okay, and here, 6 equal parts. One over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6, and this is 6 over 6. Okay, let's compare together the distance between 1 to 1/3 and the distance between, the distance between 0 to 1/3 and the distance between 0 to 1/6. Which one is greater or longer? Between 0 and 1 over 3, so 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 6. Okay, let's compare between 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, and this is 4 over 4. 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and this is 8 over 8. Let's write the fractions. You can write just 1 over 4 and 1 over 8 and compare between them, and that's it. Okay, let's compare between 1 over 4, the distance between 0 and 1 over 4, and the distance between 0 and 1 over 8. Yes, 1 over 4 greater than 1 over. Okay, the first number line I will cut it into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6 in here. 1, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and 8 over 8. We will compare just between 1 over 6 and 1 over 8. Which distance is longer? From 0 to 1 over 6 longer than from 0 to 1 over 8, so 1 over 6 greater than 1 over 8. Okay, let's go down to the activity number 7. Circle the correct weight for the approximate weight of the following items. A box of cereal weighs about 350 grams or kilograms. Grams. Okay, a watermelon weighs about 3 grams or 3 kilograms. It will be kilograms. A postcard weighs about 6 grams or 6 kilograms. 6 grams. A cat weighs about 4 grams or 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms. A bicycle weighs about 15 grams or 15 kilograms. It will be 15 kilograms. A lemon weighs about 58 grams or 58 kilograms. 58 grams. Okay, let's go down. Activity number 8. Order the following fractions from the smallest to greatest. Okay, from smallest, let's remember together. The denominator, the smallest denominator has bigger fraction. So the smallest denominator, the smallest fraction here, 1 over 12. Because 1 over 12 has the biggest denominator. So we will start with 1 over 12. Okay, and the second fraction will be 1 over 10. After 1 over 10, we will put 1 over 8. After 1 over 8, we will put 1 over 6. After 1 over 6, we will put 1 over 5. After 1 over 5, we will put 1 over 4. After 1 over 4, we will put 1 over 3. And the last fraction will be half. Okay, let's see activity number 9. Okay, we will get the area and the perimeter of each figure. The area will be side times side, or here in the rectangle, let's times width. So it will be 5 times 8 equals 40 meter square, or square meter. And the parameter would be length plus width times 2, 5 plus 8 times 2, 5 plus 8 equals 13. 13 times 2, how I will solve it? We will use here distributive property of multiplication. 10 plus 3 times 2. 10 times 2 plus 10 times 2 plus 3 times 2 equals 10 times 2 equals 20. 20 plus 6 equals 24. 6 meter. Okay, let's see here. The area will be 5 times 1 equal 5 square centimeter, and the perimeter will be 5 plus 1 times 2. 5 plus 1, 6 times 2 equals 12 centimeter. The area, 9 times 9 equals 81 square kilometer. And the perimeter will be 9 times 4 equals 36 kilometer. And here's the area, 20 times 30. 20 times 30, we will put 2 zeros, and then 2 times 3 equals 6, so it will be 600 square centimeter. And the perimeter will be 20 plus 30 times 2, so it will be 50 times 2 equals 100 centimeter. Here's the area. Okay, this is a square. The lenses of the square all are equal, so it will be 7 times 7 equals 49 square meter. And the perimeter of the square, side length times 4 equal 28 meter. Okay, the last one, the area here, 10 times 2 equals 20 square meter, and the perimeter will be 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 times 2. 2 plus 10 equals 12 times 2. 2 times 2 plus 10 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 10 times 2 equals 20. 24 meter. And that's it for this activity. Let's continue. Activity number 10. Below is an example of a game board. Find the area and the perimeter of shape number 1. Okay, we will find the area of the perimeter of this shape, this blue one. Let's count let's count out inside the shape to find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area will be 5 square centimeter, and the perimeter we will count outside the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7 centimeter. Okay, just shape 1. Let's see activity 11, and this is the last activity. Here we have, look at the analog clocks, write the time below, and then determine how much time has elapsed between the two times. Okay, let's write the time first. It's 3 o'clock, and here 5:15. Okay. First, between 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock, 2 hours, right? And between 3 o'clock and 5:15, or quarter past 5, 2 hours and 15 minutes. And 15 minutes. Okay, and that's it. We finished our semester. Good luck. Bye bye.